Assalamualaikum my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS Home School. This is Sonia Khanjoya, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Moriship, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the class of 5 students. And our today's topic is Chapter 2, Short Question Part 1, 1 to 13 question. Look at the board student. Again I am saying our today's topic is chapter 2 short question part 1 1 to 13 question, and our lecture number is 9 and homework number is 7. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Look at the board student. Class 5 subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, chapter 2 British rule, short question answer, part 1 1 to 13 question. In part 1 you have 1 to 13 questions. Number 1 questions. Why were the British interested in Bengal? Answer. Bengal was full of resources when the British came for trade. The British were interested in Bengal for its wealth. Then question number 2. Who was the last independent Nawab of Bengal? Answer. Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla was the last independent Nawab of Bengal. He became the Nawab in 1756. Then number 3. At what age did Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla ascend the throne? In 1756, at the age of 22, Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla ascended the throne of Bengal. Then student, question number 4. Who was Ghashiti Begum? Answer. Ghashiti Begum was Siraj-ud-Dowla's aunt. She plotted against the young Nawab. Number 5. When was the British East India Company established? Answer. The British East India Company was established in 1600. It was established for trade. Number 6. When did the Battle of Polashi take place? Answer. The Battle of Polashi is a significant event in the history of Bengal. The Battle of Polashi took place on 23 June 1757. Dear student, question number 7. What is the reign of the British East India Company called? Answer. The reign of British East India Company is called Company Rule. It continued from 1757 to 1857. Then question number 8. When was the company rule replaced with the rule by the Queen? Answer. The company rule ended after the Sepoy Mutiny. The company rule was replaced with the rule by the Queen in 1858. Then question number 9. Which policy of the British created division? Answer. The policy of divide and rule created division. It sets caste, religions and nationalities against each other. Number 10. Who was Mir Jafar? What did he do at the Battle of Polashi? Answer. Mir Jafar was the army chief of Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowla. He betrayed the Nawab at the Battle of Palashir? And question number 11. How many years did the East India Company rule Bengal? Answer: British East India Company ruled in Bengal for 100 years, 1757 to 1857. The student, now question number 12. Who was the first governor of Bengal? Answer: the rule of East India Company was known by Company rule. During the Company rule, Lord Clive was the first governor of Bengal. Then question number 13. This is your last question of part 1. Who is contributed to Bengali Renaissance? Answer: the contemporary writers supported political resistance through their writing. Nationality's feeling was fueled by the poetry and literature of Rabindranath Tagore, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, Sharad Chandra Chattopadhyay, and the feminist work of Begum Rokeya. So my dear student, these are the 13 questions of your short question, and this is the part 1. These are the 13 short questions from part 1. And my dear student, your homework is number 7 and short question 1 to 5 will your homework. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These will your homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic and will do your homework and submit on Saturday. Stay at home. See you again inshallah.